preview.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first is I'm gonna take a bunch of hair on my top of head and just dividing into two parts, and I'm just twisting them together, going front section over the back piece. And now I'm just gonna repeat the step. I'm just adding the few hair into front section and just twisting them together. That's what I'm gonna do. So look at that, I'm just adding the hair in front piece and twisting them. That's it. And I'm just gonna repeat till my ear line. Now after that we have to go back. So yeah, that's kind of tough, but just practice that is actually even tough for me. But remember that like this hairstyle, you doesn't need to show very perfect. Even some mess looks good. Like yeah, so messy hairstyles are always pretty. So now the back section, I'm going slowly and just adding the hair into front section and just repeating, like twisting them together. Yeah, what I'm talking. So yes, I'm just twisting, and my hairs are so long. So it's actually a double twisting crown braid, we can say that. Look at that. It's actually already the twist, the braid form here, but because of my hairs are so long, it's a double line there. So I'm just going to the end, and after that I'm just gonna secure it with the 2-3 bobby pins. So this is how it's looking actually. I'm just gonna adjust my hairs now. I'm actually done. So if you feel your hairs are loose somewhere, just hold them using a bunch of bobby pins. So guys, this is the final look, and I hope so you like it. It's so simple, and it just if your hairs are very soft, use any hairspray. So just to try it. I really love this hairstyle. So simple because you don't need to braid any fishtail and dusttail, nothing. It's just twisting your hairs. That's it. Now I'm just pulling some hairs to give some soft look. Look at that. So it's just gonna, that looks like a waves. It's looking cute. So I'm done. And now I'm just, if you like, just pull some hairs. It's just up to you. Yeah, I even like very simple easy hairstyle because you have that much time, right? And now I'm just pulling my hairs on back braid. So this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, the crown on your head. Yes, our hair saree is actually our crown. Be proud of it. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. Please just subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.